Hi, my name is Vikas,
And I'm Joshua.
and we created a fashion sharing app that allows different clothing platforms to post and kind of share their different types of clothing. The reason we created this is because I have a clothing brand. If you want to check it out, offbeat-apparel.com. And I realized that me, along with a lot of other brands, aren't getting enough exposure. And so this is why we decided to create this. And here's a quick demo of how it works. So there's images here in this list view layout. You can like the images, and I thought this part was pretty cool. We implemented it using someone's GitHub project that he'd already made a like button, and we implemented it, which is pretty awesome. And we have this bottom nav bar that goes to the search, goes to the menu, but those are very static right now. Those are things I'm going to work on in the summer. Here's where we've done the most work, which is the ad page. So this is implemented with Firebase and updates in real time. So I can enter an item yellow shirt, let's just say, and I can enter its cost $20. Then I can choose the image right here, and then click add. And so once I click add, it says upload in progress, and it's going to be updated in real time. Now, if I go back to view upload, this is where we had a struggle with, and we weren't able to update the image and upload the image onto the home page yet, and that's something we want to work on for the future. But it does update in real time with the Firebase database on the back end. So as we can see right here, we've been able to create our own data. And what's nice about the way that we set it up is that it actually creates its own items tab. And every time I add a new item, it's going to go under here. And this is like the data for it. And it shows the cost, the image, and then the name. And so to walk you through the code a bit, so so here's the main activity. In the main activity, you see here a lot of commented out code, and the reason for that is because this is what I'm planning to work on over the summer and really make it solid. But for now, this is how we're currently adding data um, to to kind of display it in the main menu. Um, right here, we have the ability to display the search and add buttons at the top. I ended up getting rid of the uh, search button, and we just have the add button. This is what actually specifically allows the add button to click, and this is the bottom nav bar. So here we have a switch, and inside the switch we kind of have a case for each separate aspect of it. So if we want to click the home, it's going to go to the home fragment. If we want to go to the menu, it goes to the menu fragment, and then with the search, it goes to the search fragment, and then here are those different fragments. All they really do is kind of directing um, where to actually like go to when these specific fragments are clicked. Um, so, and then we have the add page. This is the page that you saw that kind of showed every single thing we did when we added it. So, that was basically like adding the image, choosing the image, typing in the name, adding the name, and then here is where we go through, and this is the actual part where the image gets uploaded right here. Um, this is where the image gets loaded to Firebase, um, and then we have this adapter that kind of displays the main menu page with the text, the image, and everything formatted the way we want it. And then this is just the item class showing the different fields that we want in each item. Hi guys, we just kind of wanted to tell you a little bit about the struggles and challenges we had during this project, as well as how we worked together. So what do you think were some of the biggest challenges for us?
Definitely integrating the read and write, process for getting information from the database with Firebase. It was easy to get it initially started, but getting in there and trying to pull information back to post it, the post that we put on there into the front page. That was daunting.
Yeah, and like I agree with that, as well as like kind of figuring out the UI was new for a lot of us, I think, and then just biggest thing for us was Firebase. Even now we're having some struggles really like getting the image actually on the list view, which we really wanted to do but weren't able to for the sake of the project. Um, Other than that, the way we worked together was we just met up often, kind of just communicated through text, and a lot of it we did like pair programming, where one of us would program, the other person would be researching and like kind of adding along and just commenting on whatever we're coding. Other times we just code independently and kind of have a game plan of what to do. Hope you guys like our project. Thank you so much.